Okay, and we are live. Today is 25th of August, and this is AmericasScrum. Here is Amal, Thomas, Yara, and me. And let me first share my screen. Oh my god, this laptop is not working very well. Okay, it should be. Okay, Yara, let's start with you.
Okay, I had a wonderful pairing session with Christopher today on the dashboard statistics story. We have done some, and with Amel actually, we have done some good progress on that. We're already displaying projects, members count, projects count, and articles count on the page. We have all the sort of backend framework set up. So we should submit a pull request on Wednesday. We have agreed with Christopher. Also, the good news, because Christopher is a professional UI UX designer with 10 years something experience, he has been doing some sketches on website one documents management, sort of his ideas how maybe we could implement an interface for finding documents easily and stuff. So hopefully he will be showing us some sketches sometime soon in the next couple of days, which is really cool. And also we had a good planning session with Amel and John, and Thomas has joined us on the events story, which is basically just sort of rethinking what events are, what we need them for, and how to implement it. And in fact, right now we have already planned out the next 3 iterations, and we have started writing user stories for the first one. And that's it. And also, by the way, also another question is, I don't know if this is the right place, but at least I mentioned about it. In the last pull request that I have submitted, I have rewritten some JavaScript with CoffeeScript, and we need to. I guess we need to get more developers into the Hangout at some point and discuss should we allow both JavaScript and CoffeeScript on the project.
Is there any? Just a quick question on that subject. Is there any particular reason why you choose CoffeeScript? Could you be more flexible, or did they give you any upside to do it in CoffeeScript rather than?
Sure. The main reason that CoffeeScript is very, very close to syntax with Ruby. So if you have never seen JavaScript before, but you know Ruby, you can already read CoffeeScript to understand what's going on. In fact, I think for somebody new to the project, it's a lot easier to understand what's happening in the JavaScript in the CoffeeScript files than in JavaScript. You may not be able to sort of jump in and program, but you can easily read and understand. It's not the same with JavaScript. JavaScript just gets complicated with all the callbacks and stuff. That's the main reason. And besides, so it is easier to read, and it's a lot easier to write on it. And besides, Rails makes it absolutely transparent. You don't need to do any setup. You just write a CoffeeScript file, put it into the assets folder just as you would do with JavaScript, or in fact put it in the spec folder, and that's it. Just run, Rails compile it, everything just works.
All right. Well, this is something we need to. I was thinking. I know that Brian wants to talk about this, so let's save this discussion for Wednesday night, perhaps. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. No rush.
Cool.
Okay, great. Okay, and Thomas.
Well, I was I jumped in on the events pairing session. Got a better understanding of what's going on, so I'm very happy. And an update on the progress of Yaro, John, and Amal, and yeah, well, what these guys have been up to and what they're planning to do. So I'm quite happy about that. And apart from that, I've been I pulled down the latest code, and I started to work a little bit on the chore about the UI bloopers or inconsistencies in the application. I was hoping to find somebody to pair on that with, but I haven't had the chance to actually hook up with anybody yet. But I guess it's not too late. I write up. I also I've been thinking about hooking website 1 into New Relic and the traffic flow analytics tools that they are offering. So I wrote up a story about that and created an account for, on New Relic for us. And so perhaps I will. I'm going to have a look at that tonight. Well, other than that, not much stopping me from anything. So yeah, that's it for me.
Okay, Thomas, when Sam is going to return? Because we have too many stories in not accepted. But it's a big problem, I think, for website 1.
Yeah, well, we were hoping to have a client meeting actually today or tomorrow, but today is Sam's I think 12th anniversary, so wedding anniversary. So he's not quite back yet, but I'm thinking Wednesday, something like that.
Okay.
But I haven't. We're just talking about it yet, so I don't have any time confirmed yet.
Okay, but anyway, it will not take a long time, I think, to accept stories, because I hope it will be in a week, maybe. Yeah. Okay.
Is Pivotal Tracker down or something?
I don't know. It's not downloading from. It's down? Really?
Yeah, I can't access it right now.
Because here I have maybe bad internet, so I just thought.
No. But Yaro, can you access it?
Okay, not anymore. Okay, it's down.
Okay, yeah, so it's down. All right.
Okay, I see.
By the way, Pavel, before we go on to the next person, I forgot about a little update. If you just switch to my screen, I have shared it. I've been guiding Sly with his story on filtering the members page. It is almost ready. We need to write up adjustment spec together. But basically, this is the functionality. We can filter users like this.
Looks good.
Cool.
Looks good. Looks good.
And like this.
Looks good.
Wow. Okay.
Random guy. Oh, is there a bug submitted for that? What we saw today earlier, Thomas?
I didn't submit a bug for it. I was thinking I'd give Yaro a chance to figure that one out.
Yeah, we'll have a look. I already had a look, but I couldn't really understand why. So yeah, I'll have a look again.
Just I don't want to be picky or anything about this filtering filter users. Could you make it float or make it on the same line it up together with all members or something?
To the left? Or
yeah, well, on the same level. You just pull it down a little bit. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, like put it in line with all members.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, actually, if you just add a margin, 10 or 15 on it right now, it will float. Over.
It is.
If you just.
They are actually in different rows.
I know. Yeah, you should. Yeah. Well.
Oh no. Yeah, I see what you mean. Okay.
Put it in the same row or something, but that will mess it up on the mobile devices.
Okay.
Or yeah.
Okay.
It gets a little, it kind of disappears. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. Even more perhaps.
I wonder what happens to it though. Boom.
Oh, it should be okay.
Yeah, it's not too nice, but yeah, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Amal?
Yeah.
I am still going through my tutorials and participating in paired sessions with Yaro, John, and Christopher. I'm learning an awful lot, and It's even the things that seem to go slow. There's just so much information to pick up on the nuances of different things. So I'm happy with that. I plan to do more.
Do you want to participate in any stories?
Right now, I think I have my plate filled with the event stuff. I just want to get that off.
Okay. Anything else to add?
No.
Okay. My turn. When yesterday I performed AmericasScrum and EuroScrum, and for today I just even didn't come from my job. I'm still here. For tomorrow, I hope I will make AmericasScrum, and that's it what I can do. But I have one question. Yaro, did you talk with or not yet?
I have talked to her like 45 seconds ago on Slack. She was asking me if I guide her through Oyster project, which is I could try, but I'm sure there are other people who are a lot better at that. But anyway, I will talk to her, sure. It's just Oyster project I haven't got a clue about.
You haven't?
Not really. I mean, all I know, I just know the names of the guys who are involved in it. That's it. That's all my knowledge.
Well, it's not very bad. Okay.
Yeah, I guess. Good start.
Okay. Yeah, I see. Okay, guys, any other problems, questions, ideas, suggestions? Okay. Well, let's call it a day. Thank you, everyone, and have a great evening.
Thanks, Pavel. How long is it for you to drive back home?
Well, now it's 10:20. How long? 40 minutes.
40 minutes to drive back home.
It's only by car. By transport is more than an hour.
Shit.